It's me, Chris P. Do you have a birthday, anniversary, or other event coming up? Well, I'm here to help you know how to make that celebration more special at Disney World. Last week, I was at Disney celebrating my stepdaughter Aaliyah's birthday. The following cast members' actions made me want to create this video. Go ahead, check it out, and I'll be right back with you.
Okay, look, don't be shy. We're here to have fun, right?
That's right.
And it's your birthday and we're gonna celebrate it. And if you wanna get your dance on, you got a chance. You ready? Okay. Okay, Aaliyah, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Go Aaliyah, go Aaliyah. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. Go Aaliyah. Go Aaliyah, it's your birthday, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Right here and right now. And right here and right now. Come on, right here and right now. Go Aaliyah, go Aaliyah. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. Go Aaliyah, go Aaliyah.
Now, even watching back on this video, I just can't help but smile. This cast member made me realize how truly special it is to celebrate special life events at Disney. So I want your next celebration at Disney World to be the best it possibly can be and truly have great memories that will last a lifetime. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing you need to do is get yourself a birthday, happily ever after, or I'm celebrating button. There are many different locations you could get these from. Most gift shops will have them, along with guest services and ticket booths. So first of all, getting one of these buttons is a great free souvenir, and you'll have it to look back on and remember that trip. Cast members will take notice of your button, and they'll tell you happy birthday when they notice it, or congratulations, as long as you're wearing it. Now, Aaliyah had a blast just counting how many times she was told happy birthday by cast members and guests alike. Now, with all that being said, there is a chance that you could get sprinkled with a little bit of extra magic from the cast members. It's rare, but it does happen. Over the years, my kids have gotten extra magic many times for their birthday trips. Everything from extra stickers, free cupcake, and even some free merch from time to time. Now, this is never a guarantee, but it's always wishful thinking, and it's always a nice surprise if it does happen. Typically at character meet and greets, if they notice your button, they'll offer a different interaction than they typically would, telling you maybe about their birthday or something special that's happened to them in their lives. Now, aside from having your special button, there are also so many great restaurants throughout Disney World where you can enjoy a special meal. Now, I know for my soon-to-be 6-year-old son, a place like Chicken Guy at Disney Springs would be perfect. Whereas an adult, you might want a more extravagant meal, such as Le Cellier over in Canada at Epcot. Or maybe you just want something that's in between extravagant and casual. There are over 300 restaurants at Disney World. Pretty much, if you want something, you can find it. Let the person or people who are celebrating choose how they want the vacation to go. I know this seems like a pretty simple concept and self-explanatory, but it can make a huge difference for that trip. This could be anything from letting a child plan your day at the park for the things that they want to do most, or letting mom have a day at the spa with a complete break from the kids. It's your vacation. Do what will make it most special for you or the person you are celebrating with. It makes a huge difference. may not be my birthday, but share a little extra magic with me by clicking that like and subscribe button and giving that bell a little ring-a-ding-ding. To me, celebrating at Disney World is one of the best ways to celebrate anything in your life. Let me know in the comments down below some of your favorite Disney celebration memories or ones that you're looking forward to in the future. I have so many memories from past celebrations that I will hold on to for the rest of my life, and I can't wait to make even more. Make sure to pass on some magic in your everyday life. It's infectious. You do it, they'll do it, and I'll see you real soon.